We are presenting our hackathon project, which is called Concierge AI. It's an agentic shopping assistant. It combines the expertise of a luxury personal shopper with the scale of internet. We can call it the Siri of shopping. Tell us what you need, and we'll find the perfect product at the best price, optimized for your credit card rewards and for your preference. What are the problems we are solving? The first one is choice overload. We have more than 350 million Amazon products, and a user spends average 2.5 hours research time, and also at a 68% there is a cart about it leaves the cart because they don't like the product. And we have review hell. We can see, let's say I'm buying a earphone. I see Best Buy, Amazon, and few different platforms, and there are a lot of fake reviews. I can say around 30% of the reviews are fake. And let's say I have 3 to 4 credit cards on average, and there is 170 billion of unused annual rewards from credit cards because user doesn't know which credit card should be used for a platform or let's say Walmart or Amazon to get the best rewards out of it. And I don't get the personalized experience of shopping. These are the problems that we are trying to solve through our platform. I'll show you a quick demo how it works. When I'm on the landing page of the assistant, I have a similar chat like interface. Like, let's just search for some laptops. What it does, it verifies the query, finds the category of the product. So you can see here it is showing detecting the category, and based on the category, it will ask few of the questions which it doesn't already know about the user. If it already knows some personalized info about the user, it won't ask it again. So for a laptop, we see there are few questions like whether we need a Windows or Mac. Let's select Windows. And the next question is how much RAM. Let me check around 8 GB. And the last option is really interesting. It says whether I should buy now or should I plan the purchase for later. For example, if I'm buying a laptop, I don't really need to buy it tomorrow or something. I can buy it sometime in the next month. So I can just flag it as a planned purchase. So what we'll do, it will see the price movements and everything for any offers or Black Friday or anything, and it will keep on doing it for a month or so, how much I can configure, and then it will alert me if there are better deals than currently. Let me just check for buy now right now. So right now the research agent would take few minutes. What it is doing necessarily is going to query different types of laptop or based on the query we just selected, and it will view each of the product details page based on our, let's say, color, size, or specifications in this case, and check for availability. It also checks for availability in the physical stores nearby. Let's say I have a Target or a Best Buy physical store, it also searches for whether I can find the similar laptop as a physical store. Here we can see we have few product links, and we have a map interface which says where can I find the product with the price details. We have the address details as well. Let's visit one of the product details. So it will directly take us to the product page of the product. I can also see we also selected a default credit card that should be applied for this purchase. It is based on the credit cards I have saved. So here is the panel where I have saved my credit cards already. So it is saying, okay, I should use the MX credit card for this purchase for the best deal. We can also mark this purchase as a planned purchase. Let me do that. When I say I want to save this as a planned purchase, the agent should be saving all the context to persist in memory, and it will do a daily check of the prices and the deals. It should appear in my planned purchase panel later. Yeah, you can see it is saying that okay, I have added the details and it is tracking for any drops, and yeah, that's the experience. We can see if it found anything, it will show it as okay, I found a current price which is better than the right now, which was $1,000. Let me show you one more experience. Okay, on the homepage I have a for you button, which is a feed of the products I have recently searched for. So I have searched for laptops. So if I'm just scrolling sometime later, okay, what are the laptop deals going around? And I had also searched for some earphones before this demo, so I'm getting the earphones and some sneakers as well. This was our platform. Let me go to the value proposition that we are giving. Why not use the existing platforms we have? Let's take the example of Amazon, which is we are kind of bound to Amazon's products itself. It is not cross retailer. It doesn't do a deep research, and it doesn't do a card optimization as well for me. And we don't know what's really going under the hood. We have sponsored products or fake reviews or something like that. If I am going on ChatGPT or a similar chat platform, I also don't know what it is, what is the ranking of it, or there can be advertisements. There is no deep research. There is no cross retailer, and also doesn't show the physical stores nearby, which is having the product. And most importantly, it doesn't have a planned purchase kind of interface, and also the card research, like which credit card should be used.